we can do it. It'd be amazing.
I'm gonna capture a video and see if it comes here.
Jocelyn, no, because it'll scare it away if it sees you.
It probably won't. Don't worry.
Just barely a crack, so it's easy to open. I can't have you that close though, Jocelyn, because it'll scare them.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take a picture of them. I haven't taken a picture yet. So
I already took a picture
She took a video.
and a video. I'm actually filming right now while playing Chirp at this very
Trying.
moment. Because, you know, Chirp, bird.
yeah, they'll mop it, you know, in the summer.
I'm filming and seeing if the bird
Nancy's
comes
banana
down.
bread. No. No, we're homemade banana bread.
We got no birds yet.
Where is he? I'll take a picture and I'll show you. And then we have to find a way to cover your tops of those, because that's not safe.
What's that?
The holes so another animal can't get down in them. Even like a piece of screen even. All right, Jess, we gotta move back.
You say I have the corners, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yes. I don't know.
Black.
Might be a crow.
No, crows are a lot bigger than that.
Possibly a raven.
But it's it's like a crow, but I learned on
Similar. He has a
I
lot
learned
to
it
be.
on somewhere, but I forgot what it was.
Might use Google Images to look up what kind of bird this is later.
I need you to come away from the door. Like back towards your seat. Because if he sees you, he won't come because he's scared. If he comes up to it, Jocelyn. Zach, he's up there hiding. We put out a perch and stuff for him.
Where?
On the ceiling. Playing Minecraft while wait, not the real version, cause yeah, I'm not allowed to download it apparently.
Why do you have your tech out?
Why not?
Did you even
That's
ask?
your tech. You're not supposed to have your tech out right now.